Hello guys and welcome back to Spoken Essays. I am Harshal and you are watching the HTML and CSS guide. Well, I wouldn't say much of a guide because I'm also learning, but HTML and CSS where we learn CSS and HTML using freeCodeCamp, and so far we've done a lot of work, a lot of projects, and most of the projects were of course guided step by step, but now we are independently working on the last two projects that we have left to get the certification project. And after we pass the certification projects, we will have our responsive web design certificate. After that we will of course go through the next JavaScript and database and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's what we have been doing so far. Let me share my main screen with you guys quickly so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So let me do that. Just a second, it will take just a few seconds. Great, we can see that, and you can also hear the music in the background. Yes, you can hear the music in the background, and it makes sense, very cool. I keep repeating words because I'm out of words from what we have been doing so far. You can see, so this is the page, this is what we have been working on. Just for a few seconds I'm going to make what we've built full screen, and let's try to pick everything that doesn't work or doesn't work exactly the way their landing page works, and then we'll try to tweak a few things, change a few things here and there, and try it out. And of course, you know what, before I do anything, let me quickly save my code. Great, so that nothing gets bothered, anything doesn't get bothered. Okay, makes sense, very cool. All the words I can think of make sense, very cool, great, amazing, good stuff. You'll know me by these words probably. Okay, so we can close that, the command F thing. Now we go to product landing page. Okay, let me make this full screen immediately. So when I minimize the screen, so I turned the split screen view off, and now we are full screen. So this is their product landing page, and you know what, I'm going to scale it a little bit so you guys can see it properly. Oh, I can see that my screen is again stuck. I'm showing you guys something else, but it's not resized itself. So let me turn this off and on again. Oh, not due. The Samsung page. The Samsung page. Yeah, so the monitor display capture. We go back to the window capture and we turn on the display capture. I think you guys can see it now. Great. And the sound has begun. That is my turn to show you guys. So let me open the Samsung monitor. I will disappear for a while. You guys can see what the web page looks like. Yeah, I'm doing hand movements, but you won't be able to see any hand movements for the time being. So this is their page. Original trombones, features, how it works. When I click on features, it takes me to the features, it shows me the features. When I click on how it works, it will show me the video, because it's scaled a little bit, so it takes over the page. When I click on pricing, we can see the pricing. You know what, let me refresh the page just a bit. Okay, when I click on how it works, it will show me the video, and you can see it still overlaps, so they may not have completely done this, edited it, but I don't mind. So this is what the video, this is where the video should start, but some spacing, maybe some weird spacing. Anyway, then we go to pricing. This is their pricing. The pricing part is very cool. That's it's been the display has been set nicely. It does look very cool. And lastly, we have the footer page, the privacy terms and contact. What is their scale? So their scale is 400. The scale is 400 on my device for this, and this is what it looks like. Get started button is also very cool. You can see the color changes to orange when I hover over it, and when I move the mouse again, move the pointer again, the color reverts back to this yellow ochre, maybe some other color. Anyway, so this is what their page looks like at 400 scale on my device. Now let us make this 400. Let's go to the home page. So this is what our page looks like. You can definitely see that happening. The border is weird, yeah, the placing is weird, maybe it's not covering the page completely, the width isn't completely there. Then we have handcrafted, homemade and masterpieces, which is, yeah, that one is right there, it makes sense. This one also is good, this one's also good. You can see that some spacing, maybe because of the font it looks different, but yeah, makes it's good. Then this doesn't have this, this has the same font, so almost no difference except for some padding, some margin, some spacing, something that we missed. Then we go to the premium materials. I think we nailed the premium materials. So this is what their premium materials div looks like. Well, I think this is a grid, yeah, so this is what their grid looks like, and this is what our grid looks like. You can see there's almost no difference except for this line break. Maybe the text size is different, or it could be something else. Excuse me. We have fast shipping. The font is also different, so maybe there's a difference because of the font. So we nailed this. Then we scroll down and we look at the video. Let me scroll down. We haven't given the video, so let me, you know what, just get that from the notes, and I'll copy this iframe. I'll cut this, I don't need this in my notes. And I'll go back, and what I'll do is, yeah, I'll go here, I'll scroll down, nav bar, then this is the premium materials. Somewhere in here should be the video. Is that the video? Nope. Scroll a little bit more, a little bit more. 900, too much. Submit, I think variants, somewhere in here should be the one. So submit button says select. Oh, so we are we scrolled it down a little bit more. Okay, yeah, exactly. So we are supposed to paste it inside this. Good, nice. And we can see, I think if I run this now, let me save this code. Okay, the code has been saved. This refreshed itself, and if I press command enter, we have, okay, so functionally it is correct, it's back to normal again. And this is what our video looks like, the iframe. This is their iframe. Almost no difference, yeah, maybe because of the scroll, the horizontal, the vertical scroll, the placing is different, but yeah, no matter. Then we scroll down to the tenor, trombone. This is their page and this is our page. I agree, this looks very weird. The spacing, the width of this thing needs to be worked upon. That is, yeah, ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही है. इसकी size बड़ी है. This the size of this text, and this text is different. Size of all the text is different. Maybe we should work on that. Then we have the select button. Select button is, yeah, I think, yeah, the only thing we need to do is maybe increase the text size a little bit, the font size a little bit. That should help us make this more like this and less like this. Then at the end we have the footer page. Their footer page, again, the text in this thing looks larger. Ours looks smaller, but I think the spacing is good. If I zoom out, oh yeah, that makes sense. Okay, that works. I was looking at this space. That space is also good. Anyway, but privacy terms, contact, copyright 2016, all that is good enough. The color is also nice. What I think we need to do is increase the font size in these for this all the three variants and the text of the footer. That's the general size of the footer. And we have to do something about the header. I don't know what messed up after I left with the first live, but something happened to the footer and now it's not behaving the way it used to. We'll do something about that. I can also refer to a few of our previous projects for that. Maybe I can refer to a few of our previous projects, a few or one of other previous projects which we learned, where we learned the HTML CSS quiz. Okay, so let me share my screen again. Well, put it in split screen view so I can see what we are working on. because I do not have the magic keyboard. Yeah, but if you guys do have the magic keyboard, or if you have the Mac device, you can simply press function F to go full screen, or if you press function F again, you can go, will exit the full screen. So I will tile this. So they call it tiling, and we can call it whatever we like. Basically it is a split screen view. There are different terms to call it, but I call it split screen, and yeah, they call it tiling the window, so because they are different tiles. I don't know if we can add many add 2 or 3 more tiles. Maybe because of the display it might look weird, so they don't allow it. Could be anything. Okay, so first of all, let me change the header. Oh, we're going to spend a lot of time in changing the header, aren't we? Okay, so we have the code with us, we have this with us. Let me show you guys my face as well. So where is this? Yeah, main. Welcome back, and you can see me now. Okay, let us begin. So this is our page, this is their page. We will also work with the media query if we do get the time, after maybe banging our heads figuring out this. You know what, let me zoom out. Okay, so zoom out a little bit more so we can see whether it is getting affected or not. Zoom out a little bit more. Great. Okay, so that's what it looks like in this. So more or less it works. When I zoom in at 300, what is this? So at 250 the list looks like this, and at 300 for this page it looks like this. When I zoom out a little bit more at 250, this is what it looks like. So we want to make it look like this at 300, as in 300% of the scale, 300% size. Anyway, okay, let me first change the color of the header back to whatever it was. So E, capital E or lowercase e, both of them will give us the same result. You can see that. But I will keep it on for now, because we need to see how it behaves. So I'll keep the background color. I can make it. Yeah, we need to remove the hash. Yes. Okay. Oh, that happened again. You cannot be playing with the scale. If I scale it, okay, yeah, so you guys can see the code properly now. You guys will be able to see the code maybe in a better way. The code will be larger. So first what we want to do is, I want to set the width so that it covers the 100%, so that it covers 100% of the page. Now we can see here that it does not have any width properties. So why is that the case? So let's read. The position is fixed and it's 0 from the top, so it is stuck to the top, it is on the top. Then we gave it minimum height of 75 pixels, so it won't go lower than 75 pixels obviously. Then we also gave it a padding of 0 from top and bottom, and the header itself, and 20 pixels from the left and the right. You can see that if I manipulate this, you will see the changes immediately. Then we go to display flex. So we made it a flex box, we turned it into a flex box. And then we also use the justify content property to do this space around. What if I write space evenly? Will that do its magic? No, it will not. Okay. Then we wrote align items to center. If I remove the center, of course it will set to the top, and the background color. And surprisingly, they did the same thing, but it behaves in a different way in their code. It behaves differently with their code. I don't know much about that. Oh yeah, okay. I don't know much about that. But we have to do something about the head. How is it that it doesn't cover the head completely? Okay. Any suggestions, guys? Any suggestions in the comments? Please let me know if you have one. Features, how it works, pricing. What can it be? I think I'll have to refer the code, but before I give up so easily, let's see how it behaves with their page. Oh, come on. I can't. Oh, okay. Then I'll have to play with this. I have to resize you. Okay. The instructions keep appearing, but not a problem. Yeah. Sorry, the mic keeps brushing with the my t-shirt, so you'll hear this rustling sound. But what does, oh, still more, you need more? Oh, come on, do it. Okay, so when it acts like this, what does it do? I see, we have to, that's new. A nav bar has padding and margin from the top. Interesting. So let's see, let's read more about this. Nav bar has, okay, padding 50. Okay, let's look into this. So what does this do? So I'll have to turn off the instructions again. Let's also turn off the index file. We go to the nav bar, or the nav itself, the navigation. So it already has the margin top property, and this is 50 pixels. Interesting. Maybe that is doing some damage. Yeah, okay, that didn't work. Maybe it did work, maybe we didn't see why it didn't work. Okay. That is the city of Vadodara for you guys. You can always hear someone out and about any time of the day except for the night. Mostly everyone's sleeping, but during the day everyone's at work. They're doing something, maybe they are playing, maybe they are working, whatever, doing anything. But okay, going back, how did you do that? I am still, अच्छा, the padding बराबर था. It should be 50 pixels anyway, but 50 pixels left and right. हाँ ठीक है, तो वो भी बराबर है. Font size increase करके देखते हैं. Maybe that is something that is doing its magic. Text align, so font size 1.6 rem. That doesn't do anything because it's only 1. Not 1.6. Yeah, no change whatsoever with the preview, but I can see that it is refreshing itself, so there is something happening. We have two nav, oh my god, we have two nav selectors. Oh, come on. If I change this and oh my god, what am I doing? Why don't I have my eyes open? You guys must have seen it before. So let's compare these two nav selectors. Oh god, sorry, so sorry. So we have this by, we have the width same by, the display is the same by. Now one is flex direction column, one is flex direction row. What if we remove this? Finally. So that's probably, this nav is probably for the at media rule. This shouldn't be even here. So okay. You know what, I'll remove this. Oh yeah, I'll put this in an at media rule so that it doesn't affect what we are trying to do. Where is the at media rule? Let me scroll down more. What should we put it with? 600 pixels से नीचे जाएगा तो ये होना चाहिए. Sorry, not here. Nice. That is some loud. Anyway, who am I to Okay, and yet the width is still the same. What else? Okay, you know what, if I by mistake put nav twice, so I have to check everything then. So we have the, of course, all the element selector once for once, HTML एक बार, list एक बार, एक बार, tag एक बार. Then we have header is header is for once. The image has been given this property. Then the header a tag is given. Oh, इसमें कुछ color की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Bye. They're the same really. क्योंकि हमने a tag पे वो, so वो सब, yeah, it will inherit. Padding ठीक है. Then we go to the navigation. The navigation element itself, it's been given these properties, not a problem. यहाँ पे मैं nav bar लिखूँ, हाँ चलो गायब हो गया. अभी मैं hash लगाऊँ, कोई difference नहीं है, ठीक है, leave it then. Then we go to the container. Container is only there for one time. ये क्या है, कौन है container? This must be the container. Yeah, this is the container. Then we have subscribe, and then we are targeting the h2 inside the subscribe, which is this u. Then we have the form. This is the form. It has 100% width. Yep, I second that. Then we have input type email. Then we have input type submit. Then we have input type submit hover. Then we have a grid. We have features. Features is this. Then we have features icon. So this, the features icon, which has been given this value. Then we have description. This is the description. Then how it works. How it works is the video itself. The pricing is this tenor. Then we have variants. The variants as in pricing is this whole container, and these are different variants. Okay, then we have level. I think, yeah, each level. Oh yeah, this is the level. That is a div. Then we have variants h2. Yeah, variants h2 as in, yeah, they're targeting all the h2 elements inside the variants. Okay. Then we have the ordered list. Ordered list has this margin and the line height this. No problem. What if I make this rem? Yeah, that would cause some ruckus. Then we have variants input. Yeah, that's the select button. Then we have the footer. Footer is that. Footer has, and the unordered list inside the footer. Then the list items inside the footer, inside the unordered list. Then we have the span, which is the copyright. Then we have media, which has this flex wrap, which it wraps itself. The navigation, and then pricing. I think we are not repeating anything anymore. Then why are you not behaving the way I wanted to? Oh my god, we must have said something that way, because theirs isn't behaving in that manner. You can see that. Oh yeah, that's their header. What is it that sets you apart? Oh, it must be a margin of 120 pixels. Oh, okay. That is some new information that will help us. That will help us very much, very much. So what is this? 120 pixels of top margin. We needed that. So what is this section called? Subscribe. We are here at subscribe, and margin top, instead of 50 pixels, I'll make this 120 pixels, not 1200. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to turn that off, turn this off. At home, this is what it looks like. Oh, it's different for each. Yeah, I'll keep this 50 for now. क्योंकि अलग पेज में अलग दिखेगा obviously, but it is 120 pixels nevertheless. Why? How? Not, I'm going to manipulate each and every item inside this header to see what makes it behave this way. So header till container. So from line what, line 22 to line 60. What if I zoom out? Much better. Image, I don't think we need to do anything to it. The more I look at this, the more I try to understand what this is. When I remove the width, what does it do? How does it work? Nothing. Bye. Display is flex, direction, row. You know what, I'm going to refer to that code to see what values it does. So ये सब media values है, actual values कोई है ही नहीं, सब media के हिसाब से move होता रहता है. I wonder why. वो सब ठीक है अभी के लिए. Okay, now how do you behave? Font weight 400, okay. Margin padding, why? How? What makes you you? And now, this is the header. Okay, let's see. So this is the header, this header is the position fixed. Okay, yeah, उसको compare ही करते हैं. Styles.css, okay. We are at the header image, header A, very good, nav sub है. Let's see, so the header's position is fixed, so the top is 0, minimum height is 75 pixels, padding is 020, almost the same, flex, space around, align items, center, background, EE, I've made it cyan. Okay, let's go to this logo now. This is the class logo. This logo has a width of 60 VW. We didn't wrap it inside a class, but if we want to, we can. Let's see whether this yields any result. Landing page, header, and we are going to wrap this inside a div with let's try. Okay, so div with the class logo. Okay, what happened to you? Yeah. Okay, and we will close the div just before the navigation. Cool. Okay, so far so good. Okay, and then we will reuse this CSS. Where after the header, why not? Did it do anything? Nothing that I can see. Maybe not. The margin and the display block is still working. Did we give div a value of block? No. Let's give it. No change, but the logo has been set properly, so I don't think. Then we have this image. इसकी properties क्या है देखते चलिए. So I've chosen the header image, that is the ID of the image. They may have, they also gave it the ID image. Yeah, makes sense. Where is that header image? Yeah, you can see that. It has a width of 100, height of 100, max width of 300, display is flex, justify content is center, align items is center, text align is center, margin left is 20 pixels. Okay, it's literally the same. Okay. Then the div closes again. Okay. Then we close this div class. Then we go to the nav bar. Okay. So nav has the font weight of 400. In this we gave it so many values. What if I were to remove this? How would it behave? Okay, ये तो पूरा चिपक गया. So then let's read this. Let's see what this does. Margin top we need it. Display flex we need it. What if we don't need it for this size? Margin panning display block. This is a flex. What if I make this a block? What will it do? How did it behave? It behaved differently a little. Okay, like that, chala. But that's user agent style sheet. That's not what we should be doing if it's a user agent style sheet. Okay. Float direction row. ये सब सारे navigation के items को कर रहा है ये. Row align item center, text align center, font size and padding 50 pixels. What are we doing wrong then? We have to play with this. What are we doing wrong? I have checked this a million times. Nav bar behaves this way. Logo. Okay, beats me, really beats me. How is it that you are always this? Okay. यहाँ पे जाना पड़ेगा. ये तो सब फॉन्ट है, वो तो सब इंपोर्ट करेंगे तो आ जाएगा. That's not a problem. ऊपर से ही शुरू करते हैं. चलो. So they used asterisk. Okay. HTML. Oh, HTML में display block नहीं है. Okay, let's see. Does that do anything? Maybe not. We have font size. अच्छा, HTML में मैंने font size set नहीं किया. Okay, no problem. I did because I wanted it 10 pixels. Then of course we gave it a background color property. Why is there a space here? Okay. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. We have the background color, which is EEE. Cool. Oh, is there a line? Oh, come on. Okay, yeah. Background color EEE. Yeah. Font family, we haven't given it any value. We didn't place any value to it. Then we have LI, list style none. The A tag is color 000. Text decoration is none. Yes, we like. Then we go to the div. Okay. So now it says global classes by styling. So now they have entered a different section by styling. Okay. Now they came with the container. They started with the container. Our container is way down, way below. This is the container. Max width 1000, margin 0 auto, and width 100%. We didn't give. Yeah, maybe I removed the width, so let me put it back. That might be doing some work. Maybe not. I don't know. Then we have the button. That button is for, well, what button is this for? What does this play? If I remove the button, that's for the submit button. Yes, the submit button, and I think all the buttons. But that is a button class. Then we have the grid. If I remove the grid, display flex, it collapses. Then we have the header. Yeah, that's how their header behaves. And after that we start with the media. So ये पूरा जो behavior होगा वो अगर with 600 pixels से नीचे जाएगा तो ये सब दिखेगा. So now header will be flex wrapped, and the logo's width will change to 60 VW. क्या ये हमने डाला है? Let's see. So dot logo. How did I give it? I give it a header image. I use the value header image. Oh yeah, we can see dot logo is not inside a media element, a media rule. So I'll cut this. Bye bye. No change yet. And we go to the at media rule. At media rule is way below. Yes, at media at 600. After this I should put a value. क्या बात है, ये हेडर को हमने क्लोज ही नहीं किया. Very bad. Cool. Okay, that changed things. It did change things. Then what else? Oh, that's it for the 600 pixels. Only 2 rules. Okay. Then we have another at media rule which is for 650. तो अभी वो 50 pixels के अंदर खेलता है. Where the logo changes itself. Only the logo changes its size. Not it changes itself. It's transforms its size. Do we have that at rule? Okay, I should not have put that in there then. Also, अच्छा हमने 650 के अंदर nav को भी डाल दिया था. अरे बाप रे, bad move. The nav should be somewhere else. We'll do that. We'll go into that. But for now, it is a plane. Also put it here. Okay. So dot logo. There is no such thing as dot logo. I'll have to. Do we have a dot logo? Do we have a class called logo? How it works? Landing page. Yes. We do not. We do have a class called dot logo. Okay. And it behaves this way when the max width is 250 or less. Between 601 pixels and 650 pixels. Okay. Then this is sitting. ये लावारिस बैठा है. ये क्या कर रहा है पता नहीं. इसको कोई nav rule में डालेंगे for now. Then this is outside the media dot logo image. अच्छा, लोगो के अंदर की इमेज प्रॉपर्टी को ये एडिट करता है. विच डिड वी सिलेक्ट फॉर दैट? आई थिंक हमने आईडी हेडर इमेज को दिया था. सो हेडर इमेज इज वे अबव, वे अप. हेडर इमेज वी जस्ट सॉ दैट. ओके, हेडर इमेज हियर वी आर. सो वी कैन सी द वैल्यूज हैव ऑलरेडी बीन सेट. फ्लेक्स सेंटर, जस्टिफाई कंटेंट, whatever this that. Okay, and we can go to the next media at media rule. Again, max width 650. Why are there 2 media rules? It is beyond me. So then I can just copy and paste it in the same media rule, because this says max width 650 pixels. It also says max width 650 pixels, but they behave very differently. Oh, this changes the logo, just changes the logo image. Okay. So then we scroll down and we go to max 650. I press enter twice. Thrice. And I paste this logo image. Yeah, do not worry, we will get there. And then nav has been given font weight 400. Okay, but this is a different nav. ये क्या कर रहा है मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारे पास एक nav पहले से ही है. which is where header image nav here. So what are we to do with this information? इसको comment करके रखते हैं, it will be easier to spot that way. Okay. Maybe I am playing with this. Maybe I am. Okay, now we have again max width 650. Okay. What is up with this? Must be something. Then again this is max width. So why are you doing it this way? I can see the rule ends. Must be something. We have 2 viewers. Thank you so much for joining, all the 2 viewers. क्या है इसको, क्या है? Then we have the hero. ये सब तो कुछ काम का नहीं है अभी के लिए. Hero, margin top, features. Oh, so they've displayed it that way. Product, this, that. Oh my god. ये सब अभी कुछ काम का नहीं है. I think our work ends here. So that's the last of it. Okay. So let me remove this commented part. We have another nav here. Yes. Did it also copy the at media rule? It did. Okay. Nav UL. It also copied the nav UL. Okay. No problem. Still there. Still no change. No difference. Why? Why? What is happening that is beyond me? Is it in the HTML code? We have this navbar. Navbar is an ID navbar. It also has a class called a navlink. 3 classes navlink. Why can't I make you work? Baffling. If the CSS elements are all the same. What is stopping you? Come on, tell me your secrets. And now, okay, so the logo is back to normal, but nav is not. Come on, why? We can see the div logo has so much space. Did my phone? Okay, no, never mind. Okay. Okay, original trombones. Why? What is? Oh, come on. I can understand the padding, but why is this behaving this way? It doesn't even change the header with the media at media rule. Very cool actually. You know what, let me change the font size first, then scroll up. We have let's go to the header. Does this mention anywhere the font size? No. Bye. What? Why is that semicolon up? That should be a part of a different line. What is going on? अच्छा, उसने line क्यों line break की? हाँ. So we'll give this. I'm going to play with the width now. The only way I can think of. And that works, okay. But why aren't they using that? Why aren't they? Okay, this is cool and all, but why aren't they? What happens when I set the width? 200%. This is what happens when I set the width 200%. It recalibrates itself, but the padding is good. So without the width, how do I make it full screen? Let me use the after property then. Sorry, before property. Yeah, that will override everything. Yeah. What is going on, man? Come on. Tell me your secrets. Or do I have to make with 100%? Yeah, that does make a difference. It behaves differently. I can't seem to understand why. You know what? I'm going to take a short break. I'm going to take a water break. When you guys come back, I'll keep the screen on for you guys to see. If you can understand and tell me where I'm getting stuck, maybe some of you HTML guys can see and find out, check for yourselves. Maybe you all might be able to see something that I am not. It could be anything. So let me share the Samsung monitor screen, and you guys can check it out for yourselves. Welcome back, guys. There's some sharp noise in the background. Ignore it. Yeah, so we are I'm giving myself a headache over this features, how it works. Come on, what is up with you, man? Come on. If we give it a width, it behaves weirdly. You can see that. यहाँ पे मैं भी command shift C कर देता हूँ. The header. So how do we solve this? Any ideas, guys? Anyone in the chat? Beyond me. This is really beyond me. Oh, come on. Oh. I know, even if I, keep doing this, what will it do? I can see the padding is great. The moment I change the width is when everything, goes to town. Huh. What if we change the text size? Maybe the font size is the font is 11. Why is that 11? Did we even mention the font size? No. By default it must be 11 then. Did we mention the font size anywhere? In the nav, the container, header A? Yes, we did. So 1.1, 11 pixels. What if I were to remove all this? It would become smaller, of course. But then I go to header and I give it what? ये क्यों जगह ले लेते हैं J? Sorry, small J. अच्छा, leave that, whatever. Font size 16 pixels, so 1.6 rem, not rem. Much bigger, okay. And what if we remove the width now? If it only were the case, oh no, it was not. Space around. Or if I write evenly. Oh yeah, I remember that div thing worked. Okay, and right now this div logo has some width of 60. ये तो वो है logo width. That's new information. Where did it come from? कहाँ से आया? Logo का width. Keep pressing escape. What if I do this? Let's find it here. Let me close the index file. And logo है नहीं है. I can't trust command F because even if I write fixed, चलो at least it does find fix. चलो वो ठीक है. I want to find logo. No logo. Okay. But if I make the logo with this, no change. Why? What? That's not the. Oh, come on. Interesting. If the top, then right, and then again what? How? That is beyond me. You can see that it's what? Then how did you move yourself? What is this spacing? How is it even there? You know what? I'm going to do that. I'm going to deliberately give the image a margin and see whether that works. I can already see the logo has been set properly. I think it's only the margin that has a role to do with. You can see the div already has a good width. It is only Oh, that's their page, sorry. Yeah, this is our page. Oh, come on. This is the image, and you can see this also has a margin of 20. Wait a minute, what was that? This also has a margin of 20 pixels. But then what's on the right side? What are you doing? That कुछ तो देखना पड़ेगा. I have to check it out. I want to find out. Okay, I think I am close to whatever this thing is doing. Okay. What is that? What is that on the right? What is that? Do you guys know? Maybe it's obvious to you guys, but it's just not obvious to me. Maybe I'm just giving myself a headache for no reason, or maybe I do have a reason. So you know what? Width to dedi, margin right. Oh, sorry. If that's a property, it is. How do you even count 50 pixels? You know what? Give it 50 pixels. Okay. It did not even change anything. Maybe 50 pixels isn't a good one. Or if I write top, bottom, right, left, that would be the value. You know what? Yeah, let's go crazy. 500 pixels. No change at all. What is going on? That begs the question whether we did anything with this. Do we even have a class logo? I did see it, and we do have a div with a class logo, but then why is it not targeting it? Dot logo. Do we have a dot logo anywhere? Is that why we can't target it? I want to see it. Okay, so this, then this. Why? What is up? Header के बाद header image is this property जिसकी width और height 100% है. If I do anything to this, what? Why? If I do anything to this, yeah, okay, chalo. So all of this comes together. Okay, you can see margin left property here, 20 pixels. If I give it margin right दिया है. Come on. Then I'm going to cut this value. Margin right value दी है इसको यार क्या. Finally something. Finally, that is the 9 o'clock. Finally something to work on. So that's the div logo. And how about now? What is our div logo? Okay, good. Div dot logo. That's not div dot logo. This is div dot logo. इसको तो चलो पता तो चल रहा है. Yeah. Oh, why? How do I find out the distance? Come on. Okay, 50, 100. Okay, and yet these things here. Oh, come on. What if I change the header image? नहीं, उसको कुछ नहीं करना है. 200. Let's see what does that do. Almost. Okay, maybe. Okay, does this have a padding? Yes, it does. The padding is this much. This is what the div looks like. What does theirs look like? Okay, I can work with that. let's give these elements some spacing. हाँ ये तो कुछ वो flex की वजह से दिया है. Do these, अच्छा ये nav के साथ खेलना पड़ेगा. ये सारे nav links हैं. nav bar की properties का है क्या यार. That's it. Now I did nav bar. You know what? Yeah, we've already given it all the spacing. UL nav bar का UL क्या है? Okay, that's new nav UL. Let's see. Maybe I saw it before. nav UL हमने use भी किया है कि नहीं? li div logo header image header a nav itself container subscribe h2 form input. Nav wouldn't be here. I made sure of that. Now let's go to the at media element. Oh, the moment I close this, yeah. So we are near at उसके अंदर हमने nav logo कुछ change किया है. nav ul nope yes, interesting. मैं यहाँ से उठा के does that do something? Yes it does. Spacing उसने change कर दी. If I take it here after the nav, okay. That's the user agent style sheet. I can't trust that. Basically that's us. No padding, no border, nothing. How do you do it, man? Come on. इसका मैं देखूँ तो ये है. It's evenly spaced. Why are you not evenly spaced? I think something's got to do with, we have to do something with that. How do we change? Is that the padding? No, it's the spacing. Definitely the spacing. क्या हमने ULs को चेंज किया है? UL के साथ कुछ काम किया है. लिस्ट स्टाइल हटा दिए है. कहीं पे भी हमने UL या li के साथ कुछ भी काम किया है, कुछ भी छेड़ा है उसको. List items, level, variants, footer UL, okay, good enough. Footer UL again, li UL, let's see, logo, navigation list, with that padding bottom, okay. Navigation UL again, flex direction column, that's interesting. If I make this row, nope. So then it's okay. This has made itself a real headache. Turned itself into a real headache. Why is this 35 and then that is only 60 then? 60 VW. Let's make this 40 VW. How about that? That doesn't play with the spacing though. We have 2 concurrent viewers. Thank you so much for watching, both of the viewers. I'm giving myself a headache over setting the header page. You can see how there's a subtle difference. अला मेरी स्क्रीन वापस चिपक गई क्या? Can you guys can see it, okay. You guys can see the subtle spacing. ये जो उनकी स्पेसिंग है नैव बार में, हमारे नैव बार में स्पेसिंग है और इनके नैव बार में जो स्पेसिंग है, अब how do we play with that? Oh, hi Mr. Sagar, hello, welcome back to Spoken Essays. हमने पेज ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश कर दिया, अभी हम लोग सारे छोटे छोटे ट्वीक्स कर रहे हैं और इन द ट्वीक्स मैंने ऑफ कोर्स मेरा पेज ये है वो समझ हो इसके लिए मैंने इसको ब्लू कर दिया है एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट द स्पेसिंग. Now wait, I can come live to show you how to create header. Oh great, yeah, that would be amazing. What do we do? Create header, yeah, please बताइए ये स्पेसिंग कैसे है या फिर क्या हम लोग कर सकते हैं जिससे इसका स्पेसिंग मिल जाए. If you want, we have join session today. What I can do is, आज तो पता नहीं, आई विल बी फिनिश विद इन एन आवर. अगर आपके पास 1 घंटे का टाइम हो या फिर 15-20 मिनट का भी टाइम हो, इफ़ इट टेक्स लेस देन 15 मिनट्स देन इट्स ओके, क्योंकि अगर उसमें हम लोग फिर घुस जाएंगे तो फिर पूरा सेशन ही ख़त्म हो जाएगा. सो इफ़ यू डू हैव द टाइम सर प्लीज़, या इफ़ यू डोंट, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, वी कैन डू इट टुमारो. या व्हाट इज़ दैट स्पेसिंग, हाउ इज़ दैट स्पेसिंग. सो यूएल को टारगेट किया, उसका विथ उसने इतना किया, वाई, व्हाट गिव्स, एंड दिस डजंट इवन हैव एनी पैडिंग व्हाटसोएवर. तो ये तो पैडिंग तो हटाना ही पड़ेगा पहले तो. सो फर्स्ट नैव लिंक पैडिंग हटाना पड़ेगा. व्हाट डिड दे डू दैट मेक्स दिस वर्क. सो Oh, it just takes 5 minutes. Great. क्या कर सकते हैं? What do you suggest, Mr. Sagar? I think maybe I can share my screen with you. You can tell me while you are looking at my screen anyway. How do you suggest we go about it? Oh, it only takes 5 minutes. Great. Yeah, that would be amazing. So we have another. Hi Apple, we have another comment from Apple. Hello Apple, I'm 16 years old. I should start with HTML, CSS and something else. You can try whatever you like. This is the I don't know how much you've seen my videos, but basically there's this website freeCodeCamp और वो हमें HTML, CSS, Java वो सब फ्री में सिखाते हैं. JavaScript, I don't know. There are various courses, and in those various courses you can find out which course you want to do. Just provide me Zoom link. I'm sorry sir, I don't have Zoom installed in my computer. Is Google link okay? So Apple, like I was saying, basically you go to freecodecamp.org. That the link is in my description. You can check it out for yourself. That was actually shared by Yogen sir. You can also check out a few of his videos in the Spoken Essays page. And I'm 16. Basically HTML, CSS अगर आपको सीखना है, if you are interested in building websites, then you can start with freeCodeCamp. मैंने इन 5-6 दिनों में वो freeCodeCamp का फर्स्ट कोर्स जो HTML, CSS सिखाता है वो पूरा कवर किया. You can check it out for yourself. And in Mr. Sagar's video, he has also created series of videos. You can also check out his videos. You can also use my videos as a reference. You can also Google it yourself. w3schools.org की वेबसाइट भी बहुत अच्छे कोर्सेज दिखाती है, उसमें भी आपको बहुत एक्सटेंसिवली समझने मिलेगा. I don't know if you understand English, Apple the channel, or the Apple user or whatever your name is. So basically go to freecodecamp.org. You can start now. You can learn as much as you can about HTML. Of course there are various courses available. You can also Google it. Google में आपको देखना हो. You can also go to YouTube पे भी freeCodeCamp के वीडियोस है ही. 4-4 घंटे, 6-6 घंटे, 7-7 घंटे के उनके वीडियोस हैं, उसमें वो पूरा सिखाते हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई मस्ट से, अगर वो आप कोर्स कर लेंगे तो आपको वो पूरा HTML, CSS आने ही जाएगा. You have to practice it every day. And I also did the courses, but मुझे exactly या एग्जैक्टली तो नहीं, बट मुझे जैसे बनाना चाहिए वो मैं बना नहीं पा रहा हूँ. सो आई स्टिल फेस प्रॉब्लम्स, बट या दैट्स हाउ यू लर्न. And we can see Sagar's channel, he has also created videos. I will also check out those videos. But how, Mr. Sagar, how will we connect? Is Google Google Meet okay to connect? And thank you for asking that question, Apple. If you have any other questions, you can message me in the chat, and you can message me at the Spoken Essays account on Instagram or YouTube itself. You can also mail me, and yeah, connect me for more questions. Or you can also speak to Mr. Sagar. He will also he also is a professional. He can also help you out. And yeah, he has created all videos, so maybe in one of the videos he must have created header. You know what, let's find out. So we go to youtube.com, we look for what, Sagar More. So Sagar More, we have Sagar More vlogs, then we have another Sagar More. You know what, I'll check out whether can I find out this sagarmore.in. So let's Tech Brain by Sagar More. So many videos. You know what, I'll write .in. Oh, sorry. Maybe we can, yes, we can see sagarmore.in. That's you. Thank you. Google Meet is okay. Let me look at a few of your videos. Maybe HTML links, HTML formatting, HTML heading, paragraph and style, but that's the heading, not headers. Somewhere in here should be, yeah, .in exactly. Pseudo elements, you have covered it quite extensively. I can see that. So we have, you know what, I'm going to use command F to find out whether we have any headers in here. No, sorry, head, sif head. Yeah, I think maybe ये यहाँ पे वीडियो नहीं मिल रहा है. Maybe you can help me. But you know what, I'll go to Google Meet .google.com and I'll create a meeting. You can join me in there. I'll share the link. I don't need to share the link. You can of course copy the ID. So yeah, oh, we are already live. Okay, yes, allow. Yeah, okay, you can see me in here. There will be a loop. तो मैं क्या करूँगा, I'll turn this off. Yeah, the video is on. Are we still live? Yes, we are still live. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll copy the code of the meeting and I'll share it with you. If you can check it out, you can see oh, you created a link yourself. Let me join that video call then, no problem. मैं ये बंद कर देता हूँ. Nope, we go to the home screen and I'll put the code. Thank you. Join. The music has stopped. That is very loud. Let me lower my mic sound. So yeah, okay, that's much better. Got it. Okay, so we have of course earphones. Let's see. Hello, Mr. Sagar. Now I can hear feedback. Maybe you can hear my video. Hello, Mr. Sagar, I can hear you. Can you hear me? आवाज़ आ रहा है? Hello, I'm good. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much. This is the first interaction I'm having. So yes, what would you like me to do? You're already looking at my code. How would you like me to guide me? Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I like that idea. No problem. Let's go. Definitely. आप તમે વડોદરાના જ છો? वाह, अमेजिंग. तो अब अगर कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है मुझे, अगर इंग्लिश में मैं बोल रहा हूँ अगर, तो मैं हिंदी में स्विच हो जाऊँगा. चलेगा ना? ओके, ग्रेट. हाँ, स्क्रीन दिख रही है. So using code pen. अच्छा. Start coding. Yes. हाँ. Yeah. No problem. Have you been doing this for a while? आपने बताया कि आपके कुछ I think you are a professional in this field. वो 12 plus that is next level. तो आपने तो बहुत next level websites बनाई होगी. Definitely sagarmore.in. I will check it out after the live video. So अभी आप क्या कर रहे हैं थोड़ा समझाएंगे? हाँ. अच्छा. हाँ. हाँ. Okay, what is the traditional method? दोनों करके देखते हैं. यू सेड 5 मिनट्स लगेंगे, मैं 5 मिनट का 10 मिनट कर देते हैं. हाँ. हाँ वो तो स्टाइल या स्टाइल यूज़ करके आ जाएगा. हाँ. 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 बराबर. या इमेज या लोगो जो भी हमें डालना हो, वी कुड टेक एनी लोगो. हाँ यू यूजिंग द 5 आइकॉन. या हाँ वो भी चलेगा. ये एग्जैक्टली वो भी अच्छा है. हाँ. .png फाइल ले ली. हाँ. वो सॉरी फिर से बोलिए. नो फर्स्ट आई एम हियर. जस्ट अ सेकंड. हाँ. हाँ. Yes. Okay. Three. देखते ना. हाँ, 3 ही बनानी है. Are you showing me the style method, the CSS method or the traditional method? Okay, without flexbox. Yes. या बोथ प्लीज़, दोनों देख लेते तो समझ आएगा ना. हम्म. हम्म. हाँ. हाँ, सो हाँ इनलाइन बन जाएगी. यस. Yes. Yeah, I understand. हाँ, exactly. That makes sense. हम्म. हाँ. Yes. Sorry about the sound. Yeah, there's some construction going on. Hmm. You know what? In the next live video, I'll try that. तो ये अच्छा एलिमेंट सिलेक्टर में इंस्पेक्ट के अंदर ही हम लोग सब इसको चेंज करेंगे. एक रूम का इंस्पेक्ट सिलेक्टर है. ओके. So it will float to the right. What? Sorry? Clear fix. हाँ. I was stuck with that. हाँ, वो ओवरफ्लो हो ही जाता था. Yeah, let me quickly. I just took a screenshot. Yeah, best W3 schools. Yes, I can see वो clear fix content double quotes और clear both display सब table इसमें. Oh. लेट्स सी अभी डॉक्यूमेंट में कैसे दिखाएगा, मतलब HTML पेज कैसे दिखाएगा. हाँ. हाँ. हाँ हाँ हाँ, that's exactly what I'm looking for. हाँ, उस साइज उसने इंक्रीज कर दी. Definitely clear fix hack. हाँ, अभी हम लोग मतलब वो फ्री कोड कैंप पे तो वो फ्लेक्स बॉक्स के बिना वो पास नहीं करने देगा. तो फ्लेक्स बॉक्स में कैसे मैं स्पेसिंग के साथ खेल सकता हूँ. वो टेक्स्ट साइज भी मैंने इम्प्रूव कर दी, इंक्रीज कर दी, तो वो ये क्लियर है. इसका मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले लिया है, सो वी कैन मूव अहेड विद दिस. यस. What do you do nowadays? Is this in your free time you watch YouTube or do you create videos? Yeah, yeah. Yes. Oh, do you have a job? Oh, great. Which are you in Mumbai? Hmm. Wow. So, well, I have the time, so I can come live. You can come live whenever you are available. Definitely. Yes. या द HTML कोड विल स्टे द सेम. वो सब CSS में जो भी करना चेंज करेंगे. हाँ हाँ. यस. एग्जैक्टली दैट्स व्हाट आई यूज़. मैं उनको बॉर्डर देता हूँ तो मुझे उसका बिहेवियर समझ आने लगता है कि यार ये कैसे मूव कर रहा है. हाँ हाँ. तो आई थिंक लोगों का तो मैंने समझ लिया था उसमें उसके साथ कैसे खेलना है. बट ये जो अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट है, वो अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट में स्पेसिंग जो उन्होंने जो प्रीव्यू पेज बनाया उसके हिसाब से नहीं बन रहा है. अभी मेरे हिसाब से तो मैंने विथ और वो सब के साथ खेल लिया तो वो हो तो गया, बट एग्जैक्टली जो मुझे उसको रेप्लिकेट करना है वो नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि सिर्फ रेप्लिकेट ही करना है. उन्होंने कुछ वो मतलब ऐसा कुछ वो प्रोजेक्ट में ऐसा नहीं है या फिर सर्टिफिकेट लाने के लिए एग्जैक्ट नहीं बनाना है. बट मुझे समझना है कि उन्होंने कैसे वो बनाया विदाउट लुकिंग एट देयर कोड. तो मुझे होम, अबाउट और कॉन्टैक्ट को पहले तो टेक्स्ट को राइट साइड रखना है, और मैं जूम मतलब उसकी अलग अलग मीडियम में उसका बिहेवियर अलग अलग दिखाना है। तो अगर मैं जूम इन करूँ तो उसकी विथ ऑटोमेटिकली, सॉरी, स्पेसिंग इक्वली चेंज होती रहेगी। हाँ, यस, हाँ, हाँ, हम्म, जो हम ये डायमेंशन हाँ यूज़ करते हैं। हम्म, हाँ, उसकी साइज़ 100% हो जाए। हाँ, उसकी मतलब वो जूम जूम आउट हो जाए, वो उसका डिफ़ॉल्ट 100% पे वापस आ जाए। हम्म, नन, हाँ, तो बुलेट पॉइंट्स हट जाएंगे। हाँ, हाँ, वो इक्वल स्पेसिंग चाहिए। हम्म, हाँ, हम्म, आई थिंक रिफ्रेश करना पड़ेगा पेज को। हाँ, 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 25, वो भी एग्जैक्ट पता नहीं, वो ट्राई करना पड़ेगा 25 पे कैसा दिखता है। क्यों? हम्म, हम्म, हाँ, हाँ, वेरी कूल। ये मैं स्क्रीनशॉट लेता हूँ, आई विल स्टडी दिस टू। ओह, सॉरी। हम्म, हम्म, स्क्रीन चिपक गई शायद। हाँ, जो जस्टिफाई सेल्फ। हाँ, 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 Hmm. दैट इज़ क्लोज, हाँ एग्जैक्टली, हाँ उसी के, हाँ उसी डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है एग्जैक्टली. जस्टिफाई कंटेंट स्पेस बिटवीन. Home about content to justify content space between alignments and center. Wow. Let me take a look at the code again. So okay, UL को flex बनाया, list and type and justify content between. Okay, let me look at my code. मैं साथ साथ में compare भी करता हूँ तो मुझे भी idea आएगा. So मैंने okay फ्लेक्स यूज़ किया है, फ्लेक्स डायरेक्शन रो यूज़ किया है, फ्लेक्स कंटेंट स्पेस अराउंड यूज़ किया है. अच्छा, बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट रो ही होता है, सो कैन रिमूव दैट. फिर जस्टिफाई कंटेंट मैंने स्पेस अराउंड यूज़ किया है और आपने स्पेस बिटवीन यूज़ किया है फॉर यूएल. ओके, फिर मैंने स्पेसिफिक लिस्ट आइटम्स को चेंज, उसमें मार्जिन ऐड नहीं किए, मतलब लेफ़्ट और राइट मार्जिन. एंड देन स्पेसिफिक वो रो, हाँ मतलब रो क्लास को भी ये सब वैल्यूज़ नहीं दिए हैं. सो आई थिंक हाँ ओह हाँ उसका बिहेवियर चेंज नहीं हुआ. डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स, आई थिंक मैंने हेडर को कैसे लिखा, लेट्स चेक. स्क्रॉल अप, थोड़ा स्क्रॉल अप लिखा. हाँ हाँ एग्जैक्टली. मैं भी अभी क्या करता हूँ, मैं अपने प्रीव्यू में जाता हूँ. हाँ मेरा भी आई थिंक हो ही गया है, हाँ हो गया है. यार आई थिंक योर सोल्यूशन वर्कड. वो स्पेस बिटवीन मैंने अप्लाई किया तो वो हो गया. अमेजिंग. हाँ वही है, कहाँ पे कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ करना है वही समझना चाहिए. थैंक यू. हाँ हाँ मतलब CSS में स्पेसिफिसिटी नहीं. नोट आई चेक इट आउट, और मैं थोड़ा और गूगल भी करूँगा स्पेसिफिसिटी क्या होता है, और आपके वीडियो भी देखता हूँ. मैं अपने हाँ ओके आई सी दैट. एम आई नॉट वेस्टिंग एनी ऑफ योर टाइम राइट? कुछ टाइम नहीं ले रहा हूँ ना. हाँ हाँ ओह अरे कोई, थैंक यू सो मच मिस्टर सागर, अप्रिशिएटेड. हाँ, बट वो मज़ा था ना, वो एक चैलेंज होता है कि यार करना ही है, उसकी वजह से थोड़ा हो जाता है। बट अच्छा है, मतलब आई डोंट थिंक ऑफ इट दैट वे। अब वो ऊपर से जितना वो हेडेक बढ़ता है उतना अच्छा लगता है कि यार कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा और सोचना पड़ेगा इसको करने के लिए। सो सो वन वे या हेल्प्स। ओके, अगर आपका वो डिनर चल रहा है तो नो प्रॉब्लम, आई वोंट टेक मच ऑफ योर टाइम। आई थिंक आई हैव द डायरेक्शन। मैं भी थोड़ा स्पेस बिटवीन स्पेस ही के साथ खेल के देखता हूँ, वो फ्लेक्स के साथ खेल के देखता हूँ, विद यूजिंग द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड भी ट्राई करके देखता हूँ। यस। डू यू हैव एन इंस्टाग्राम पेज? मैं आपको कैसे कांटेक्ट कर सकता हूँ? डू यू हैव एन ईमेल? हाँ। Oh, great. I'll check it out then. Sure. No problem, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah. And from your pictures, you look very young. So आपने कितने टाइम से शुरू किया था? मतलब 10-12 साल की उम्र से शुरू कर दिया था कोडिंग करना? हाँ। हम्म। क्या बात है, दैट इज़ अमेजिंग। क्या बात है। आई डोंट हैव एनी वर्ड्स। वायरस? हाँ, एथिकल हैकिंग, मतलब एथिकल हैकिंग तो फिर वो अच्छी चीज़ ही हो ना, आप किसी को। हाँ। हाँ। क्या बात है। मेरे खुद के नंबर से खुद को कॉल? हाँ। हम्म। 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 हाँ। हाँ। क्या बात है यार, ये जस्ट द लिस्ट जस्ट गोज ऑन एंड ऑन। क्या बात है। हम भी भाई ट्राई करें, अगर उसको घोल के पी जाए पूरा तो। हाँ, जो गूगल पे दिख रहा है। आई थिंक यू चेंज योर, आई थिंक हाँ डीपी चेंज किया था यूट्यूब पे। हाँ, कुछ दिनों पहले को आपका कुछ और दिखता था, अभी कुछ डीपी आपने, हाँ डीपी अलग दिखता था पहले, वो शायद पुराना वाला होगा। हाँ, अमेजिंग, क्या बात है। ओह एंड मैं भी थोड़ा प्रमोट कर देता हूँ। सो एक्चुअली ये जो फ्री कोड कैंप है, मैंने, आपने सुना होगा, मैं एक सर का नाम मेंशन करता हूँ, उन्होंने ही मुझे ये फ्री कोड कैंप दिखाया था। सो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू हिम। सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू मेंशन हिज नेम। शायद आपने उनका नाम सुना होगा, मिस्टर योगेन सर। यस, योगेन सर, या ही इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी हेल्पफुल। वो भी आई टी वाई टी का कुछ काम करते हैं, वेल नॉट कुछ काम, ही इज़ ऑल्सो एन आई टी प्रोफेशनल। और वो भी उनके टाइम पे आई थिंक उन्होंने बताया, वो बहुत, वो भी ही वाज आल्सो लॉट इनटू सॉफ्टवेयर, बट अभी वो हमें सिखाने में मदद करते हैं। एंड ही इज़ मोर इनटू फिटनेस नाउ, फिटनेस, हेल्दी लिविंग लाइफस्टाइल। बट यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट इट, आई थिंक, आई एम श्योर। बढ़िया, उनके लिए, उनकी मदद से ही ये सीख रहे हैं। सो आई एम जस्ट हेल्पफुल कि उन्होंने बताया कि यार यूट्यूब पे ये करता है। एंड आई देन आफ्टर आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर अ फ्यू लाइव वीडियोज़ आई मेट यू, सो I feel really grateful for that. Definitely. And anyone who is watching this, anyone जो भी हमारा YouTube लाइव देख रहा है, शायद फ्यूचर में वो लाइव देखे, तो प्लीज़ गाइज सब्सक्राइब टू sagarmore.in. प्लीज़ चेक आउट हिज चैनल, प्लीज़ सी, यू कैन ऑल्सो स्पीक टू हिम। अगर आप उनकी वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे, यू कैन ऑल्सो रीच आउट टू हिम, ही इज़ सो ओपन अबाउट इट। यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक आउट हिज वेबसाइट, इज़ इंस्टाग्राम। आप उनको फ़ोन करके भी कुछ क्वेश्चन हो तो बात कर सकते हैं, कोई टाइम होता है, या फिर वो कभी भी कॉल लगा सकते हैं। ओह परफेक्ट। हाँ, तो प्लीज़ गाइज सब्सक्राइब टू हिज चैनल, यू कैन चेक इट आउट। अभी तो सर एक दो व्यूज़ ही आते हैं, बट आई एम श्योर इन द फ्यूचर एक फॉलोइंग बढ़ेगी, होपफुली। एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम। मैं ज़्यादा टाइम तो नहीं ले रहा हूँ, 9:45 तो होने आए। ओके, नो सर, कॉलेज तो मैं कभी गया ही नहीं हूँ। 12th के बाद मैंने मतलब मैं 12th के बाद मैं कॉलेज नहीं गया हूँ। कुछ टाइम के लिए वो ट्राई किया था, वो डिस्टेंस लर्निंग कोर्स आते हैं ना, इग्नू, वहाँ पे, बट या आई डेंट स्पेंड मच टाइम, जब मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, वो मेरा इंटरेस्ट चला गया था कि एजुकेशन लेना है तो फिर मतलब कॉलेज में जाकर नहीं लेना है। क्योंकि मैं देख रहा था कि मेरे दोस्त कैसे क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, मोस्टली वो लोग पढ़ते नहीं थे, वो सब टाइम पास करते थे। तो फिर मैंने पेरेंट्स से भी बात की यार कि 1-2 साल मुझे खुद कुछ ट्राई करने दो, और फिर अगर लगता है तो फिर मैं कॉलेज जाऊंगा। या क्या बात है। डेफ फ्यूचर में वेल मुझे आईटी में ही कंटिन्यू करना है मेरा। तो अभी मुझे क्लियर वही दिख रहा है, मुझे कंप्यूटर्स में, जैसे मेरे फ्रेंड्स को एचटीएमएल सब ये कोर्स ख़त्म करने में हफ्ते लगते हैं, मेरे एक हफ्ते में इतना सब फिनिश हो गया। तो मुझे उससे कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि यार आईटी करना है। डेफिनेटली सर, लेट्स सी वेयर दिस टर्न्स आउट टू बी। बट अभी तो कुछ 1-2 साल के लिए मतलब whenever I get the time मैं डिग्री का भी देखता हूँ क्या होता है अगर कर सकते हैं तो, बट लाइक यू सेड वो स्किल्स वाला इन्वायरमेंट है तो, बट या आई एम इन स्टिल मिक्स थॉट्स तो एनीवे, बट आई विल चेक इट आउट. बट अभी के लिए तो मैं कम्प्लीटली लाइव होता हूँ, जो भी मैं सीख रहा हूँ वो सब मैं लाइव होके सबको दिखाता हूँ. यस एंड थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी. आई अप्रिशिएट इट. सच में सर मैंने ये कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था, सो मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़, बड़ी बात है. थैंक यू. ओके no problem sir, you are helping me so much, so then I yeah, this is the least I can do. Thank yes, see you, yeah, I see you in the live videos. आप पूरा कोड ही लिख के दे देते हैं तो मुझे मेरा बहुत टाइम सेव हो जाता है एक्चुअली. बट नो प्रॉब्लम, आप इतना एफर्ट करते हैं तो या आई अप्रिशिएट दैट. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट लाइव वीडियो. शायद अगर कहीं और वापस में स्टक हो गया तो मैं आपको फिर से बग करूँगा. आई विल मैसेज यू ऑन कॉन्टैक्ट. मैं आपको इंस्टाग्राम पे फिर मैं थोड़ा फॉलो कर देता हूँ, सो यू विल बी इन माई, आई विल स्टे इन टच विथ यू. थैंक यू सो मच. आपका कभी खाना ठंडा हो रहा होगा, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई विल सी यू लेटर. थैंक यू, बाय. So guys, so that was my phone call, Google Meet. You guys saw that what happened. So I was with Mr. Sagar and you guys saw, and I think my voice got muted. Yeah, but what say, it's already 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. It's only what some time left before we finish this. So क्या करते हैं हम लोग, कोड थोड़ा एडिट कर लेते हैं उसमें. जो उन्होंने फ्लेक्स बॉक्स बताया वो तो मैंने लिख ही दिया. आई जस्ट चेंज दैट एनी वे वेल वी वर लाइव. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज़ आई विल चेंज द कलर ऑफ दिस हेडर एंड आई थिंक वी विल हैव फिनिश दिस प्रोजेक्ट बाय नाउ. वी हैव फिनिश दिस प्रोजेक्ट. तो मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं इसका कलर चेंज कर देता हूँ टू ई. ओके, और ये हमारी वेबसाइट बन गई. आई कैन सी दैट स्टिल बगिंग मी, बट या ये हमारी वेबसाइट बन गई. यू कैन सी द प्राइवेसी टर्म्स कॉन्टैक्ट. इसमें मैं क्लिक करूँगा तो ये डायरेक्टली होम पेज पे ले जाएगा. गुड स्टफ, अमेजिंग. तो ये हमारा बन गया पेज, प्रोडक्ट लैंडिंग पेज. If we get the time tomorrow, then I will also try to create our own product landing page instead of this original trombones features how it works. मैं खुद बनाने का ट्राई करूँगा, देखता हूँ क्या होता है. handcrafted homemade masterpieces की जगह कुछ और डालेंगे. Instead of the email address we could make it something else. We can mix and match a few things as long as the the website stays functionally similar. ये tenor, ये सब privacy, contact and so on and so forth. And a huge thanks, a huge shout out to Sagar, Mr. Sagar for lending a hand and showing his HTML and CSS skills. Like he said, he has been in this industry for some time now, 12 years. So thank you so much. Why don't you guys check out his channel, and I will see you guys back tomorrow at 10 a.m. sharp. And until then, sayonara, see you, Jai Shri Krishna, bye bye, tata, whatever you want to call it. And मिलते हैं कल. अगर आपको कोई questions है, just like Mr. Sagar, you can check it out. We had a guy Apple asking us a question to ये 16 साल का बंदा है. That's amazing. He can do so much in the next years of his life. HTML CSS उसको सीखना है तो the world is your oyster, my friends. And without further ado, now I will go offline and I will see you guys back again tomorrow. Ciao.